In a sharp 4-page post on platform X, Kunal Kamra took an aim at everyone involved in the controversy around his comic act, including the mob, politicians, cops and even those leaking his number or threatening him. In the latest development, Mumbai's Khar police station has also summoned the comedian for questioning at around 11 a.m. today. Now, let's take you through the contents of the statement that Kamra has put out and what it says. He said, and I quote, to the mob, he compared attacking a comedy venue over his jokes to overturning a tomato lorry for bad butter chicken, referring to it as senseless. To political parties, he said that freedom of speech is not just for praising the powerful. He dared them to apply the law equally, asking, will those who vandalize the habitat face consequences? To the BMC, the authority, mocking their demolition drive, he suggested performing next on the Elphiston Bridge or any other crumbling Mumbai structure. To the trolls, he said, keep calling, you'll just hear the song you hate on a loop on my voicemail. Now, Kunal Kamra has also assured that despite all of this, he will cooperate with the law agencies as they probe into the matter. Now, to set the context on what really transpired, remember, comedian Kunal Kamra found himself at the center of a political firestorm, this time over a parody song that was used to target Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. The backlash was swift, it was violent and revealing. From vandalism to demolition drives, legal threats to leaked phone numbers, the case has seen it all in the last 24 hours. Among other FIRs and complaints that have been filed, the latest has been filed by Shiv Sena MLA Mangesh Kundalkar at the Nehru Nagar police station in Mumbai. Meanwhile, politics continues to snowball on the matter, with Eknath Shinde himself now issuing a 48-hour ultimatum to the comedian to apologize. Now, while Shiv Sena leaders have blamed the UBT faction along with other allies of backing the comedian's calling it a broader conspiracy, MBA leaders have supported Kamra's comments so far. In fact, some even reposted the very song from their accounts, fueling the row further. Maharashtra's Ministry of Home Affairs, Yogesh Kadam, the minister himself, said that Kamra's calls and call recordings along with CDRs as well as bank statements will all be checked. So Kunal Kamra there will be investigated by the Mumbai police. He's set to appear today. But at the same time, he has maintained that he will not apologize.
आप जो है कॉमेडी के नाम पर उनकी इज्जत उछाल रहे हैं, उनकी अपकीर्ति कर रहे हैं, उनके काम को डिसरिगार्ड कर रहे हैं। शिंदे जी जो है वो कभी किसी जमाने में रिक्शा चलाया करते थे, आज वो अपने दम पर इतना आगे आए हैं। और ये कौन उनके खुद की क्या क्रेडेंशियल्स है, कौन हैं ये लोग जो कुछ जिंदगी में कर नहीं पाए, जो जिंदगी में कुछ जिनका क्या, अगर मैं कहती हूँ अगर वो लिख सकते तो कुछ साहित्य में लिखिए, कॉमेडी कुछ किसी तरह का कुछ, क्या ये लिटरेचर में कुछ लिखते हैं क्या? इनकी जो जैसे हमारे फिल्मों में भी मैं कहती हूँ कि कुछ ना कुछ एक कॉमेडी को लेके डायलॉग राइटिंग होती है, स्क्रीन राइटिंग होती है, गाली गलौज करना कॉमेडी के नाम पर, हमारे ग्रंथों का मजाक उड़ाना कॉमेडी के नाम पर, लोगों का मजाक उड़ाना, माताओं बहनों का मजाक उड़ाना। अभी आपने देखा किस तरह के ये इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आजकल खुद को कह रहे हैं। तो मैं कहती हूँ कि हमारा समाज कहाँ जाता जा रहा है। इन्फ्लुएंसर ये जो एक 2 मिनट की फेम के लिए कहाँ जाता जा रहा है, ये हमें सोचना है। और ये एक अच्छी बात है कि कहीं ना कहीं, जैसे फडणवीस जी ने भी कहा, कि हमें कहीं ना कहीं एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी। हम जो कह रहे हैं किसके बारे में, जब उसकी रिपरकशंस होती है, जब लीगली आपको पूछा जा सकता है, डू यू स्टैंड बाय दैट, तो ये बात को आप उस बात से बिल्कुल मत जोड़िए, क्योंकि वो जो था वो एक कंप्लीटली एक इलीगल एक्टिविटी थी जो वो की गई थी। ये जो है कंप्लीट एक लीगल कार्रवाई जो है वो की गई है। तो दोनों का कोई भी एक दूसरे से कोई भी जोड़ा नहीं जा सकता।